Well, I want to do an unboxing video. I bought these used, but they're supposed to be brand new, just installed and then we moved. They didn't like them on the vehicle, so I want to do an unboxing together. Make sure we got everything and check them out. You might want to pick a set of these up for yourself. I got these basically for the tow truck, the LS Rock tow truck. If you didn't know, we got an LS Rock tow truck, and these would do good on the bed to light up the area because the old ones don't work like they should. So let's open these up, and later on we'll do an install video. They called the Traveler, and they for off-road. They off-road lights. That's what it says. So do you think these have been used only once? Take a look. They are a little dirty, but all in all, I actually don't think they've been used. Take a look. They might have been telling the truth. Look pretty good. Make sure we got everything. We got, you know, 2 lights. Comes with a white container here. This is pretty bad unboxing video because I can't see what's on camera. I don't know if y'all can see this. Comes with some foam. Foam is a good thing. It helps protect stuff from getting damaged. Inside, they do come with, looks like, changeable face plates. Some fuses. And where does the fuses go? Two fuses. No fuse links. So I think we're missing the fusible links. Unless you see them, because I sure don't. So we got these little guys, which is the connectors that plug in. They are waterproof. They feel very good quality too, but they are missing the inline fuses. I don't know if they come with inline fuses. That might be something you want to buy separate, or maybe these is extra for your fog lights or whatever foot you put them into, but you should always use a fusible link in between these. That's in case they short out. They don't burn down. Now I will probably change the color of the front of these to a different color because I'm not a big fan of this. I like the classic just solid black color. This would match the tow truck though, but I think just a neutral look to it would be good. You can see they come off, looks like with 4 ways right here. Be simple to change. What colors do we got? We got some black, blue, green, orange. A lot of different colors in them. They are good feeling, heavy, you know. Give you a better look at them. They got good weight to them. Now you can pick these up at Tractor Supply. That's where I seen them online at. Look pretty good. Now I also got a big light right here. I ain't reviewed or nothing. I don't know where you can get this one. I ain't researched. This was bought used. But this one's got no fusible link either. I figured it had a fusible link. But this one was working on a truck. Actually on the front where the grill was. And I got a good deal on here. Figured we put that on the rollback too. Somewhere. But for now, we're going to put these little, I guess, fog lights, pod lights on, whatever you want to call them. The part number, in case you wanted one. Well, here's the SKU number. I guess that's SKU number. Whatever is barcode number. Call it SKU number. Maybe that's the part number. So hopefully this video turned out good. I can't really see. But all in all, I'm very happy with them. I got them for, I think, $40 is what I want to think. I bought them used. I'm not sure what they are new. So, I don't know if I got a good deal or not. I think I do. I think when I looked at them, I tracked the supplies around $60, $70. Don't hold me to that. But 40, and they supposedly brand new. They look brand new. I think I did a good deal. I think I could have got them a little bit cheaper, but 40, I'm happy with them. Especially, I'm not reselling them. If you notice, I do resell on eBay. You can check that out in the description below. I got a link to the store if you want to check out some of the stuff I got listed. I always list new items every day. I also try to upload new videos every day, so subscribe to the channel if you're new. So 40 is a good buy if you're going to use these. If you buy them new, anything over 40, I would say they're pretty bright. We will have a video coming up on the channel now of us installing these onto the LS Swap tow truck. But if you was going to resell them, I would try to get around $20. Maybe if you found them at a garage sale or something. These is in really good condition. Condition does matter when reselling anything. So I think I probably could list them and get my money back, but I'm not going to. We're going to use them on the channel. We're going to put them on the tow truck. So like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed.